You are the light shone into me 6 years ago, into my rather black and white world. You have been my best friend for 6 years, my greatest support, and my go-to person to share my day with.
Okay.
I live every single part of you, be it your kindness, your sense of humor, even when life gets really hard. You inspired me to evolve into a person I've never thought I will become.
You are my first love, and you will be my last love. For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, I will love you for all the days of my life. I love you, and I can wait to spend that forever with you. Nalala ko. Ako umiiyak. Umiiyak ko. Excited ko.
Excited na ako.
Umuwi.
Excited na ako ikasal. First time ko kasi.
Ako din may first time. Ikaw ba? Ikaw din?
First time ko.
Mahal ko, today marks our 77th month together, 2,354 days, or simply 6 years and 5 months and 11 days of loving you. As I stand here before you, I can't help but think about the struggles, hardship, and challenges we had to face just to get where we are today.
Gusto niyo magkaroon ng forever? Ipagdasal niyo ang isa't isa. Pagising sa umaga, Lord, thank you for the gift of my wife. Thank you for the gift of my husband. For the gift of my family. Kasi kung hindi niyo ipagdadasal ang isa't isa, tandaan niyo, ang binabaliwala ay nawawala. Kung mahal mo, ipagdasal mo. Paglaanan mo ng panahon at ang atensyon. Ipaglaban mo, higit sa lahat, ialay mo sa Panginoon.
I love you, handle my attitude, my mood swings, and especially my hunger so well that I've gained 15 kilos since we met. That's a proof of how loved and well-fed you've made me feel. I love how you make life problem and challenges seem lighter, as if everything will be okay as long as we're together.
I wrote it down in the winter of 1610.
Tingin nyo lang yung inyong pagsasama, huwag kayong mag-aaway. At kung may mga problema kayo, ay pag-usapan ninyo ng maigi. Yun lang at sana maging masaya kayo.
Ako naman kasi as long as happy siya, happy ako. Kung saan siya masaya, doon lang talaga ako. At sana, magbigyan niya na ako ng anak agad. Yay! May baby na sana.
Malay natin.
Yan.
But now I I know who I'm not. I'm just a curious.
Unang-una, alagaan lagi yung katawan. Kasi yun lang ang kayamanan mo.
Opo.
Mahal na mahal kita.
Sabi mo.
Sobra, dito lang ako habang ako nabubuhay. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Mabuhay ka din hanggat gusto mo.
Make my message matter.
Thank you na.
Hindi yung sacrifice na. That was my greatest privilege. Watching you grow,
Love you.
I'm proud.
Kami ang swerte.
Make my message matter. Make this chaos count. But every little fraction in me shatter out loud.
Kinagagalak kong nakilala kita and I'm forever grateful to be by your side for all eternity. Walang sukuan, walang iwaan, walang bitawan. Bagal pala, na-excite na ako eh.
Promise to stand beside you through every joy, every challenge, and every season of life. Kumutok man ang bulkan, magkaroon man ulit ng pandemya, wag naman sana, o magka-COVID man ulit ako ng ilang beses pa, I will keep choosing you. Thank you dahil pinalaki niyo kami tama. So, lumaki kami ng first boyfriend ko siya and last boyfriend. So, yun. Sumunod ako sa kanila and ito na. Ending. Happy ending! Today, I promise to love you with all my heart. I can't promise that I will always be patient with you, but I promise that I will always choose to understand you, work through things with you, and never give up on us.
camera dito. Sige. Ano yung ulit sabi mo? Binigay ng Panginoon. Kapatid? Ganon din. Oh, parang nakopyahan lang sa exam. Sige. Bakit ko tinanong? Buti may camera tayo. Pag nag-away po sila, ipanood nyo yung sagot nila.
Parang isang panaginip ang muling mo pa bigyan. Tayo'y muling magkasama. Ang dati
And if there's such thing as afterlife, I will choose you there too, John Conrad.
ang dati ay baliwala. Ang muling mapapit.
Today, pinapangako ko na to stand beside you through every highs and lows life throws upon us. Higit pa sa lahat, I sincerely promise to love you with honesty, patience, and devotion until my last breath.